Alright, welcome to the city of Orange, California. Not Orange County, the city of Orange, which is within Orange County. We're coming up here to a place with a very predictable name. It's going to be Orange Express Car Wash, located off of Tustin Street, which is what we're on right now. Anyway, so this is it on the left here with the, looks like the upstairs office by the looks of things. Now, I actually met someone recently who has a membership here. So, someone who's, let's just say she's not inexperienced with car washes. Long story short. But it looks like they are using a Motor City Washworks Dry and Shine unit. Now, to be perfectly honest, this car doesn't need to be washed. It's actually still kind of wet from the last one, but I am actually meeting someone around here, so I don't, I figured, like, I'm already right here. This is probably where they're going to meet me, so I might as well just do it. Let's see if I can do this lane. It doesn't say if it's specified to members. Ooh, 22. Let's see if we can do that. Sure, I'll take a seat.
Thank you for your purchase.
Here, let me put you up here just so I can pay attention to being loaded. Just sorry about the camera shakiness. I love this effect with the green lights. It's so cool. Yeah, this does appear to be a MacNeil tunnel. So we got a rocker brush that is not working. This one, the passenger side one, is. Two high pressure arches? I think that might be a first for me seeing this setup in person. This is two full high pressure arches. Interesting it took me this long to find a place that has one. Now this might be one of the most thorough tunnels with a lot of process. Like the wash process here is really maximized. I think that's like 3 or 4 sets of brushes. Oh, that's cool. I love how the thing flipped around like that. So we got 2 out of 3 dry and shine brushes working, which kind of sucks. So what you're seeing here is what's called the 3-position valve, which activates when trucks with high hoods come to it, but it also activates on cars. I love how that thing just flat out stays on. Like you just kind of roll right out of there. Smoothly though, I've seen worse driveways for sure. Well, yeah, that's all I got. That is a very long and very thorough tunnel, with the exception of a few pieces of equipment that don't work. I think that was really cool. I love that. Anyway, that's all I got. Thank you for watching, and that is it.